Hi, this is Mrs. Bryant, and I wanted to share with you information about the ebook app called Sora, just in case you're looking for books to read and would like to download something. So right now I'm in Bear Clicks, and I want to take you down to the second row, and you will see a little icon for Sora. The way you get in is you just click it, and mine opens up and it says Mizbo. I'm going to show you if I would log out of this, what it might look like for you. And right there it says, my school is Mizbo, and I want you to click that. Then sign into your school, and we are our great Harpeth Hall School right here. And then I'm going to put in my username and password. And for you, what I want you to do is put in your username, which might be your name, your first name, dot, your last name, dot, your graduation year. And do you notice there's no at Harpeth Hall? That's what I want you to leave it just like that. And then put in the password that you use to sign in to your computer. Then click sign in. It'll take a couple of seconds to open up. And once you log in, you can see that mine shows up right here. It says no assignments, and I can click the word explore down below. And then you can search for a book. So here's a couple of the things I want to show you, and then I'll show you how to borrow, and we will be finished. If you scroll down, right here are some books that are available from April 15th all the way through July 31st, and they're available to anyone who wants to read them instead of, for example, one book, one person. So it says all 31 books you could click right here. And then here are some really great books that you can look at and read. Some of them are for older students, but there are some for your grade. I love this idea of Midnight War. It's a lovely book. If you want to have some fun, Phoebe and her Unicorn is wonderful. And there's just a whole group here of 31, and I'd love for you to take a look. If you head back to Explore, you can also look for a book. So I'm just going to make it really simple. I'll just look for this book that I love called The Remarkable Journey of Coyote Sunrise. Some of you fifth graders are reading it. And as you see, you can look at it, and it's right here. And we have 2 copies of that book, so you see it twice. That's what that shows you. Now, if I click the word borrow, what happens is the book will then show up in my account. So in order for you to do a book and to get a book, that's all you have to do is click borrow, and it shows up in your account. If you have any questions, email me, Mrs. Bryant, Bryant at Harpeth Hall, and thanks for listening.